is exciting. I've never opened these before. The Clan Invasion Salvage boxes. Alright, and I bought these from several different sources, so the variety should be pretty good. So let's check these out. Ooh, make these hard to open. Okay, so let's see what we got in the first box here. In the first box, we have... I'm not sure what that is. This one is called an Exterminator. It is Comstar. Okay. So I'm not too familiar with that one. I'm honestly just hoping to get some Inner Sphere Assault mechs. So let's keep trying. So box number 2. Alright, so let's see what we've got in box number 2. So box number 2, we have a Blackjack. I don't even need to look that one up. Which is fine. That's an Inner Sphere 45 tonner, I believe. So there we go. That's our second one, a Blackjack. So that's alright. Still looking for an Assault mech. So let's go to number 3. Okay. These boxes are difficult to open. So, oh, we got a winner. So this is the Timberwolf or the Mad Cat. Excellent. Timberwolf Prime, very nice. So that's a good one. That is obviously a Clanner mech, but a very nice one. Still looking for an Inner Sphere Assault mech though. So let's go to number 4. Okay. So number 4, we've got the Phoenix Hawk. All right. Not an Assault, but that's a nice one. I was actually hoping to get one of those at some point. So that's very nice. A lot of these will probably end up on my eBay store. So look for Secret Ace, and you'll probably find them there. Next we have the Nova. So that is another clan mech, but it's also one I do not have, so that's cool. So we have 4 more to go. Still looking for an Assault mech. So let's see what we've got in this one. Ah, it's a Hunchback. Still no Assault mechs, but the Hunchback is a classic. Okay, 3 more to go. Still looking for an Assault mech. At least we got a lot of variety, so I'm happy about that. These are so hard to find, and they sell out so fast. Next we have the Enforcer. Another Inner Sphere, but not an Assault mech. So still looking. Let's see what we've got. 2 more to go. Oh, there we go. That's a big one. Big beastie. That's the Executioner slash Gladiator. That's a Clanner Assault mech. Not an Inner Sphere Assault mech, but it is an Assault mech. So that's good. Then we have the last one here. Come on, let's hope for an Assault mech. So this last one is... What have we got here? Oh, it's a little one. That is called a Wasp. So that's just a little guy. Yep. Okay. So no Inner Sphere Assault mechs, but we still got a lot of variety here. And most of these will probably end up on my eBay store. You can find them at Secret Ace. Thank you.